Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to test out the Kyliecosmetics mascara. As you guys may already have noticed, I'm not a huge fussy wearer. I do wear them sometimes, but on a day-to-day basis I prefer to do my makeup without it. So I'm always in search for how to grow your natural lashes, talk of the product, the serums and the natural ways, which I'll get to that in later videos. And also the right mascara that will make your real lashes look like we're faking it. So I'm going to give you my thoughts on it and other things, talk of the price, the benefits and what have you. So enough of the chat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. First, the mascara. The price, guys, you won't believe it's actually $1 here in Ghana. Oh my god, this is the best price for mascara considering how much other brands are sold. I can't complain. First, I'm combing my brows in shape, then to the application stage. After applying it, looking at how it performed on my lashes, I think it performed quite well. I like it. I'm quite impressed. So my final thoughts, I think it makes my lashes look strong. It looks as if I'm wearing lashes even though I'm not. Even though it's not full, but it still looks like a dispersed lashes. So it's more like wearing a falsie that is dispersed. So I like it. So kudos to Kel. I'll definitely be buying it again. So I think I'm quite impressed. I like it. Kudos and well done. So that's just it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave suggestions, questions and comments down below and I'll try to answer them. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.